My name's Troy Olson. I own the 1029 Bar Smack Shack restaurant in Northeast Minneapolis, Minnesota. It is very important for me to find a product like Concrobium because if I keep this place safe, we can stay open. 1029 Bar has been here since 1892. We're known for our great food, our pierogi. I ended up with Concrobium through a buddy of mine. It's plant-based. It is food safe also. We do our normal cleaning every night, and then we spray with Concrobium. You can spray the bathrooms, the floors, ceilings, chairs, pretty much the whole bar. There is no residue, no lingering odors. You don't have to do anything once you're done. Put away your sprayer and go home. I would recommend Concrobium 100%. We want to get through this. You should be doing this.